Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. In today's video, we are going to make chocolate ganache. We will be using only 2 ingredients to make silky smooth chocolate ganache that we can use in 3 different ways to decorate our cakes and cupcakes. You can use this to make drip effects on cakes, whip it and pipe it to create a fluffy and tasty ganache. Or you can make this ahead and let it sit on the countertop for 6 to 8 hours and simply pipe it onto your cakes to get a richer mouthfeel of the ganache. The choice is yours and the possibilities are endless. You can even use this in any desserts that you like. Here I have 300 grams of chopped dark chocolate compound and 150 grams of whipping cream. These are the only 2 ingredients that we'll be using in this recipe. Transfer these into a heat-resistant bowl as we'll be using a double boiler to melt the chocolate. To set up the double boiler, heat some water in a saucepan and place the heat-resistant bowl on top of it. Just make sure that the water is not touching the base of the bowl. Mix the contents of the bowl with a spoon until the chocolate melts completely. The chocolate to cream ratio in this recipe is 2:1. If you are using a microwave to melt this, set the timer for 30 seconds at a time and keep stirring until the chocolate melts completely. After you see no chocolate chunks in the bowl, remove this from flame and let it cool down. After this cools down completely, you can use this ganache to create drip effects on your cakes. This is one way that we can use our ganache. Simply dip the tip of a cupcake into the ganache, swirl around and lift. Look at the shine of the ganache. If you want lighter and fluffy ganache for piping, leave it on the countertop for 2 to 3 hours. The ganache will thicken by this time. Beat this on low speed for 2 to 3 minutes. As we have used whipping cream in this recipe, you will be only needing to whip the ganache for 2 to 3 minutes on low speed. This ganache will be a little paler in color and lighter in mouthfeel. You can use this ganache in between cake layers or for piping. I'm piping on a big rosette onto my cupcake using this ganache. If you want a denser and richer mouthfeel of the ganache, leave the ganache on countertop for 6 to 8 hours and it will further thicken. You can simply use this ganache to pipe on the cakes or in between cake layers or in desserts as per your wish. This ganache will be much darker in color and richer in taste when compared to whipped ganache. Try all the 3 ways and decide for yourself which one you like the best. You can even play with the proportions of the cream and chocolate in this recipe to get what is more suitable for your taste buds. I find the ratio of 2:1 chocolate and cream in this recipe to be perfect for my needs. If you are interested, I have white chocolate ganache recipe on my channel as well. I'll leave it in the description, do check it out. And don't forget to try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!